You've probably heard all kinds of iPhone tips and tricks, some good, some bad. But why is nobody talking about these hidden hacks that can actually change the way you use your iPhone? Let's jump right in with hack number 1. Pop-up ads while browsing in Safari can be annoying. There's a couple of settings that can help you block them effectively. Head into your settings, then click on Apps, and scroll down to find Safari and click it. Now, in this general section here, there's a setting to switch on block pop-ups. But we're not done, and I never hear anyone talk about this next secret trick. So now on this same page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Advanced. Then click on Feature Flags, and you want to switch on Verify Window.Open User Gesture, which also helps with blocking unwanted ads. Now, if there's a website that you use on a regular basis that relies on opening new windows for displaying content or completing tasks, that website could be affected by this setting. So if that's the case for you, maybe just leave this one off and only turn on the block pop-ups setting shown earlier. Moving along to tip number 2. Did you know that your iPhone has a secret menu called Assistive Touch? It's designed for accessibility, but can be customized to your advantage. To activate it, head into your settings, then click on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch and then select Assistive Touch and switch it on. You will immediately see a small dot appear on your screen, and this acts as a hidden little menu. All of these controls in here are customizable. So if you go ahead and click on Customize Top Level Menu, you can tap an icon to change its function, or use the plus button to add more icons to your menu. There's also the option to move this small dot anywhere on your screen. If you want to hide it a little bit more, click right here on Idle Opacity and reduce the slider as much as you prefer. Now, heading into the last tip, tip number 3. It can be very frustrating when you're watching movies on Netflix, YouTube, or something, and the screen keeps rotating when you're moving around. So most people will swipe into their control center and toggle on the orientation lock to stop this. Well, let's automate this process using the Shortcuts app. Click on the Automation tab, tap the plus button, and select App. Choose the apps you use for watching videos like Netflix, YouTube, or the Photos app. Next, make sure that both is opened and is closed are selected. Then change this to Run Immediately. Now click on Next and type Set in the search bar. You'll see this option pop up, Set Orientation Lock. That's the one you want to select. And then click Done. The outcome is that now when you watch videos and go into full screen, the screen won't rotate or change no matter how many angles you're moving your iPhone at. And there you have it. 3 secret iPhone hacks to enhance your daily experience. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for my next one.